I have your February 2026 rental and sales market update for Tampa Bay and nationwide. Hi, I'm Michael Belon with House2home Properties with the real estate market update for February 2026. We manage single family homes in Tampa Bay, and we'll go over the rental market, eviction filings, home sales, and interest rates. We'll start with the rental numbers from the MLS. This is for houses in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In February 2026, the median rent was $2,500 and the days on market was 39 days. Compared to the previous month, rents have gone down 3.8% and is taking 8 less days to rent a house in Tampa Bay. Compared to this same time last year, rents have stayed the same and is taking 10 days longer to rent a house from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Zillow's rental numbers for houses. This is for the entire United States. In February 2026, the national median rent was $2,233. Compared to the previous month, rents have gone up 1.5% nationwide. And from this time last year, rents have gone down 0.7% nationwide. Okay, in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. You'll see that the median rent in Tampa Bay has been coming down since last summer. The next graph shows the history of the days on market for Tampa Bay, which is well over 30 days. I'm seeing houses sit a lot longer ever since last May. Okay, here are the number of eviction filings in Tampa Bay. This is for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In February 2026, the number of evictions filed in Tampa Bay was 1,545. Hillsborough County had 1,140 eviction filings, and Pinellas had 405. There was a 13% decrease in eviction filings from a month ago, but an 8.9% increase from a year ago in Tampa Bay. And I included a graph showing the eviction activity throughout the months. Okay, the lease renewal rate for House2home Properties. We are renewing 86% of our leases and remaining consistent with that. Okay, let's move on from the rental market to the sales market. All right, these are the sales numbers from the MLS. This is for houses sold in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In February 2026, the median sales price was $430,000. The days on market was 51 days, and the month's supply of inventory was 5 months. Compared to the previous month, house prices have increased 2.4%. and is taking 2 days longer to sell a home in Tampa Bay. Compared to this same time last year, house prices have increased just slightly, 0.2%, but it's taking 14 days longer to sell a home from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Realtor.com's national home sales. This is for the entire United States. In February 2026, the median home list price was $403,450. That's a 2.1% decrease from the previous year. The days on market was 70 days. That's 4 days longer to sell a home from the previous year. And the number of new sales listings increased 7.9% from the previous year nationwide. And in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay and the orange line is nationwide. You'll see the median sales price trend in Tampa Bay is pretty close to the median sales price nationwide. Okay, now interest rates. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This is per the St. Louis Fed. In February 2026, the mortgage interest rate was 6.01%. From the month prior, the interest rate decreased by 0.08%. The previous month's rate was 6.09%. And from last year, the interest rate decreased by 0.86%. The previous year's rate was 6.87%. And in the graph here, you'll see mortgage rates continue to drop. That's your market update for February 2026. I hope you found this helpful. If you need property management, please reach out to me. My name is Michael Bilan, and I'm always here to help you with your property. Thank you for watching.